Cookie, I just put the kitten on the bed, and then I couldn't find her. Guess what she did? She went right for the books. You find yourself comfortable with the books? Secure? Oh, baby. It's another new thing. It's a different room. Yeah. We have to go to bed tonight. Okay. Polka, I know you want to sleep with Mommy too. Because if you can't sleep with Mommy, you don't know what to do. Because that's all you know is sleeping with Mommy. Yeah. Do you want Mommy to help you to sleep with Mommy? Here. That's okay, Gertie. Gertie, you have your bed in there. See, Gertie has 2 beds. Okay, it's okay, Gertie. Okay. Okay, let's pick you up, honey. Oh, we do that gently. Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Good. Okay. Everybody's gonna be quiet,